must have saw the title of this video. This is going to be a clothing haul video. A few days ago I tried to order some clothing items from this website called Lulu and Sky. After Shein got banned from India, this was the alternative app for Western wear, and this is the first time I've ever ordered from this website, and there was some really different. They have huge collection of dresses and t-shirts and tops, and they also have really amazing collection of bags and jewelry as well. And I was really impressed by the way by their collection, but they didn't. And also they have really amazing collection of shoes. And this is only going to be a clothing haul for today, and it depends on your choice. They have some really good clothes and outfits, but it just depends on what you are comfortable with. So I ordered some things from their winter collection, which I was comfortable. So I'm gonna share these things with you guys. So let's get into the video. So the first thing I got from this website is this red and blue color sweatshirt, or a sweater. It's a sweater, I feel. And this costed me around 532 rupees, and this is, I was having second thought buying this because it is a sweater, and sometimes sometimes some sweaters are really rough on your skin. They are itchy and things like that. So but this one is surprisingly very soft, smooth, and a perfect sweater as it has to be. And I really liked its pattern over it, and so I have bought it. So let's see how it looked on me. The second thing I got from this app is another sweatshirt, and they have sent all these things in a very cute packaging in these bags, which has written Lulu and Sky over it. So this one, okay, this is how it looks. Yeah. So this is a off-white color sweatshirt, and it has some ribbed thing over here, and I got this one for around 448 or something. I will let you know in the screen. So this one I was also having second thoughts, because sometimes such sweatshirt have really thin clothes and clothing material, but this one is really soft, thick, and it is a woolen material, and it is very soft and smooth over my skin or anyone's. It's very smooth, so it's very comfortable when we wear it, and it really looks good when we wear it. And so let's see. Third thing I got from this website is this really beautiful denim dungaree, and I got it for some 648 rupees, and this is a really good deal for that price. Like, this really looks cute, and the quality of this denim is as well very amazing and very worthy. It's not a cheap denim like sometimes we feel that kind of thing, but this is really good material of denim, and I love the way the pockets are in this. this is the back side. So it even has this showcase for show, just a thing like pocket, and these are two pockets over the back side, and there are two pockets in the front side, and the pockets are as well very big and space worthy, so you can put something in, and it's really amazing. It has some ripped texture which also looks really amazing. So let's watch the video me wearing it. So the fourth thing I ordered is the last thing, and it is a really pretty dress. I really love this beige color, and as I saw it in the picture, I really love this dress. So this is how it looks. It has a t-shirt kind of upper part, and below it is like a skirt. So it is a dress, but it will look like you are wearing a t-shirt and a skirt, and this is what its back side looks like. And this material is, I guess, cotton, really pure cotton. It's very soft, and this net thing is also very soft and very comfortable. I got this one for 500 and something, and this was quite a good deal, I feel, because this really looks amazing when I wear it, and it's really good, amazing color. I just love it for its color. So let's check the video. So that was all for this video. I hope you liked this video, and I feel my deal with this app was worth it. I am really satisfied with every clothing, and with its price, its quality, it's really worth it to buy something from this app, I guess. So I will put the link of this product in the description below, so check that out as well. And if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, like, comment, share with your family and friends, and take care, stay safe.